Hey, what's up? It's the Nomad Brad, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to put a YouTube subscribe button on a Clickfunnels page. Really cool. Basically, when they click on the link, it's going to take them to your YouTube channel with an option to confirm their subscription. So it'll automatically kind of like give them an opportunity to subscribe. So it's the best possible link. So let me show you how to do that. All right, so I'm editing this page for a free keyword research training that I put together. So by the way, if you're interested in that, check out digitalnomadrockstar.com/keywords. You can get free access to this. But so I was just going over and like revising it, and I thought this would be a really cool opportunity just to kind of introduce myself. You know, who knows if they remember, you know, where they saw the link to this training, and then have people, you know, subscribe to my YouTube channel if they find this free training valuable. So I just did a bit of Googling here, and I'm pretty excited by the results. So basically, what we're going to do is just create a button. Super simple. And then for the options for that button, I'm just going to say subscribe, click to subscribe on YouTube. And I think it'd be a very good idea to use red for the color, since you know, everyone's familiar with that. Now here's the really cool part. So we've got our button there. For the link, what we want to do is take our YouTube channel name and then add this to the end of it. So question mark sub underscore confirmation equals 1. So my YouTube channel is the Nomad Brad. So the address up here is youtube.com/the Nomad Brad. So I'll just take this part and copy it and paste it here at the end. So now it's youtube.com/the Nomad Brad question mark sub equals confirmation 1. And then I'm going to copy that and come back to, come back to the editor here, and then I'm just going to paste it in go to. So these are the options for the button. You click on the button and then you go to set action, and here you have different options. Here we want to go to website URL and then paste in that link, and then I'm going to change it to new tab. So when they click on this, it'll open a new tab. So if they want to keep checking out the keyword research course, then they'll stay there, but they'll click on this and hopefully subscribe. So let's check out how it looks in the final product here. Gonna click on preview. There we got my page. Okay, and then if they click on this button, then it's gonna take them back to my YouTube homepage and should have the confirmation button. Let's just double check that. All right, so there it is. So if the person who checks out the training course is interested, they can subscribe to my channel. So I hope you found this really helpful. If you liked it, you know, go ahead and write some comment about, you know, where you're going to use this, or how you're going to apply it in your business. I'd be really curious to know. Yeah, if you like getting more tips and tricks on how to improve your results in digital marketing, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.